Volkswagen Caddy 2015. It's coming. Error, ESP light, and tire pressure light is on. Tire even blinking. And what it could be? So we make diagnostic. All modules is okay, just engine, ESP impossible signal, brake control module missing data message, and gateway. It says all-wheel drive control module. This one is in rear differential, like Haldex, but this car must have something newer. So if it's missing from there something, signal, could be that it got water and rusted inside and got no signal. So now we gonna go to lift car up and check underneath what is there, how it looks. So here it is, this control module. It is rusted, could be water inside. Here I have disconnected connectors, looks nice. So, but first, maybe some cable damage. Here you go. Cable is broken. So this one is okay. Problem is here. Something got some damage and after got water and finished. Try to take it in part and try to solder it. Connect, isolate, and we will see. So solder it. Put little extension to put these shrimps. After solder it together, and same I gonna do with one more cable. This one little damage. And after I gonna tape everything and leave it and test is it working or not. So cut it and solder it another one. I'm gonna connect and I'm gonna tape, put some strips and finish. Of course, after gonna test, clear fault codes and we will see. So, finish is like that. And start car, and immediately no faults. If I try to drive, ESP is working. Very good. What we got here, go back, no more active. Webasto maybe is active. Auxiliary heater. Now gonna clear fault codes. No more faults. Stop engine, start car, check fault codes from new. All good. So like this you can fix your Volkswagen sometimes. See you next time. Like, share and subscribe.